Life or death? Does health and safety ever cross your mind when using access equipment such as ladders? It should. Not wishing to be an alarmist, but the fact is there are as many as 100 accidents and 1 fatality every week here in the UK alone, involving those who use ladders. Now this is often due to poor working practices, such as irregular ladder maintenance and continued use of faulty equipment. A key part that is so very important to ladder safety but very difficult to source can be the ladder feet. Now when your ladder feet wear out, and they will, you have 3 options available. You buy a new ladder. That could be very expensive. Work with worn out feet and risk having an accident and possibly nullifying any insurance claim. Or 3, and the cheapest option, is replace the feet. But the problem is sourcing the right feet for your ladder can be very difficult. The solution? Trim2Fit replacement ladder feet. Made from solid rubber, Trim2Fit ladder feet have been designed to fit all makes of alloy box frame ladders and step ladders, such as Abru, Light, Titan, Youngman and Zarges. Now the fitting sizes are a maximum of 89mm in length by 25mm wide. Now that is 3.5 inches by 1 inch. Now to demonstrate how easy it is to put these feet in your ladder, we have a short video to follow. Simply remove the old feet from your ladder and clean the ladder stiles ready to insert the new ones. Now offer up the ladder feet, marking the guidelines that fit your particular ladder. In this case it's the second lines in from each edge. We suggest using a tenon saw. Cut through the 2 guidelines . Same the other end. Now that you've cut both feet, insert into the ladder, securing with self-drilling screws that are provided. Your ladder is now safe and secure, ready for use. Hope you enjoyed our video and found it helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about our ladder safety accessories, please log on to www.laddermat.co.uk. Thank you.